and fifth is thigmotropism. So first of all, we will study about the phototropism. Photo means light. Tropic means it is a type of movement. So when plant part is showing movement towards light, that is called phototropism. Now first of all, we will study about the phototropism. In this picture, what are you seeing? That stem part of the plant is bending towards the light. Here the light is stimulus and stem is bending towards the light. And as it is bending towards the light, it means it is showing growth. So your stem is showing positive phototropism, while the roots are showing negative phototropism as they are growing away from the light. Next one is geotropism. Geo, as all of you know, that geo term is used for earth. Here you are seeing in this picture that the pot is tilted and even roots are going in the downward direction. Downward direction means towards the earth. So your roots are positively geotropic. And here the stem part is going upward, away from the earth. So your stem is negatively geotropic. So here growth is taking place. So it is known as directional movement and growth related movement. One is hydrotropism. Hydrotropism, as all of you know, hydro word is used for water. So in this picture, what are you seeing? That roots are growing towards the water source. It means your roots are growing, growth is taking place, and here stimulus is water and roots are growing towards the water. So roots are positively hydrotropic. Next one is chemotropism. Next one is chemotropism. Chemo word is taken from chemical. Chemical, when a plant part is growing under the influence of any chemical, that is known as chemotropism. So in this case, pollen tube is growing towards the ovule, as here some sugary substance is produced, and that sugary substance is actually acting as a chemical. So this growth of pollen tube is showing chemotropism. And last one is thigmotropism. Thigmo means touch. All of you know that when tendril part of the plant comes in contact with this spore, it aligns itself around the spore. So that is known as thigmotropism. Here again the growth is taking place. So here in the case of tropic movements, we have seen in all 5 cases growth is taking place in the direction of the stimulus. Second type of movements seen in the case of plants are non-directional movements, and these non-directional movements are also known as nastic movements, and nastic movements are independent of growth. All of you have seen a plant, touch me not. The other name for it is chewy common name, and its botanical name is Mimosa pudica. So this plant is very interesting. When we touch the leaves of this plant, what happens? They droops down.
Go.
So in this case, actually the shape of leaf is like this. When we touch them, they droops down. What is happening? Actually the shape of leaf is like this. When we touch them, they droops down. What is happening? Actually the shape of the cells are changed due to change in turgor pressure. Here no growth is seen in the direction of stimulus. Only the leaves are drooping down. So it is known as nastic movement, and it is independent of growth. One more example of non-directional movement in plant is the opening of petals of flower dandelion. In this case, the petals are opening when they are exposed to sunlight. So photonasty is the movement of parts of a plant in response to light source. But the direction of stimulus does not determine the direction of movement of the plant. So it is non-directional movement. Non-directional movement is actually independent of growth. And first of all, we have studied 5 types of movement, tropic movements. Tropic movements are actually growth dependent movements. So finally we come to know that movements in plants are of 2 types. Directional movements, they are known as tropic movements, and they are growth dependent. And second type of movements are non-directional movements, and non-directional movements जो हैं they are independent of